Escape to a charming farm in West Virginia, a heaven of natural beauty and endless opportunities. This stunning brick home, lovingly preserved through generations, is nestled on over 117 acres, offering a unique blend of open fields, wooded land, and hunting grounds. Beyond the home, you will find multiple outbuildings ideal for farming, storage, or hobbies, adding incredible versatility to the estate. Whether you are dreaming of a working farm, a peaceful retreat, or a personal sanctuary, this property offers everything you need to create the life you have always dreamed for. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.